The Spirit Pendulum allows you to exchange the chime of a bell for the silent mystery of movement. It brings a new dimension to your performance, one that feels subtle, surreal, and spellbinding. With no visible cause, the pendulum begins to sway, mysteriously and deliberately, until it reveals a chosen card, thought, or secret known only to your participant. Its motion is smooth, silent, and hauntingly precise, the kind of eerie elegance that lingers long after the performance ends. Perfect for mentalism routines or intimate séances. The Spirit Pendulum evokes the sense of an invisible presence at work, not loud, but deeply felt. Crafted with the same precision and reliability as all Anverdi creations, it's a powerful tool for storytellers who favor subtlety over spectacle. Let the pendulum speak and let your audience feel the presence of something beyond.